recently built a WordPress site that showcases my travel stories, hidden gems, and all the vibes. Do you know how much time it took me to build this site? Literally 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. From setting the page to adding content, it just took me 10 minutes.
Hi, I am Palak, a travel enthusiast and a social media manager, not a coder in case you are wondering, and today I'll show you how I have built this site in under 10 minutes. You know what's funny? I actually came across InstaWP because I was looking for something simple yet powerful in cloud hosting. What really caught my attention was how easy this platform is to use and the fact that it's built with security and performance in mind. It feels like this is a perfect fit for me.
So first you need to log into your InstaWP account. Then click on create new site. Here you can see you can build a site from scratch, from snapshot, from store and from AI. I'll choose a template from my store. In store you can see different categories, prices and the page builder. I'm gonna choose this influencer template. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll choose the PHP version to 8.1. You can also choose the WordPress version in your server location. I'm giving my site a name. Then click on next. And over here you have to select your pricing plan. So I'll go for starter and then click on create new site.
Here is what I love the most. InstaWP has per day pricing plan. You only have to pay when your site is live, starting at just few cents a day. So if I need a site for a demo, client presentation, or for a quick test, I don't have to waste my money for a full month. It's flexible, affordable, and honestly feels like this pricing is made for me.
Here you can see your site in installation in progress. Now your site is ready. So I'll just show you what it will look like. Now I'm gonna edit the content of that particular template. Here I'll click on edit page. Now I'm gonna give the prompt to ChatGPT what I actually want for my page. So I want you to create the content for my travel blog, replacing all the text. My name is Palak. And then I'll copy all the text from here and I'll paste it here and then boom. Now I'll edit the content given by ChatGPT according to my need. Like I'll add travel here, I'll edit my name, about me and what I am. Now I'll replace the image. Now I'll edit more content. After editing every content, I'll click on update. So you can adjust everything according to your needs. Then you can click on update. You can also preview your site, like how it'll look desktop, tablet or mobile. Then I'll open the link of my site and see how my actual site will look like. Here you go.
And that's it. My travel blog is live in just 10 minutes with InstaWP. No coding, no hustle. Just choose your template, customize it and go. If I can build this, anyone can. Now it's your turn. Build your own site with InstaWP. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.